everybody! So today, you remember us, we were just gonna put on a cooking show! Da 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 da! Dun. A cooking show! Da 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 da! Armin's cooking show. Healthy vegetables cooked. Healthy vegetables cooked by Armin and Masa. Da, 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 da. Okay, so now you could come.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be cooking some nice vegetables. We're going to be sauteing them with a cool cutting machine that we got.
Okay, but first step is that we need to wash our hands. That's what we need to do always when we're cooking stuff. You guys need to wash your hands too. Everybody needs to wash their hands in the whole wide world. Wash hands, wash hands, do 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 do. Wash hands, wash hands. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna wash my hands. I put this, then I be quick so some soap doesn't drop on the ground. Then I'm gonna turn on the water and wash my hands. Okay, now I just need some like...
Oh, I've got some here.
Okay.
Paper towels. So step one, wash your hands. Check. Our hands are all clean. Okay, so second step, you might want to get a grown-up for this. So for our veggies, we're going to be using zucchinis, green beans, and broccoli, Armin's favorite. So what I did is I cut the zucchini in half. I washed it and I cut the zucchini in half. You don't need to peel the peel off, but you could peel yours if you want. Okay, so this is how this cool machine, I think it's called the Starfrit. So it's got like little a pointy part over here. And you
very pointy.
Okay, so Armin, do you want to come and put it in?
Yep.
Just kind of gotta stab
I'm
it
an expert at cutting stuff.
And it comes with something like this. It comes with a few of them. So we chose this one that's all straight. There's some with little tiny holes in it. And it makes the veggie come out a different shape.
Okay, and I'll cut it.
Armin's gonna do the turning. So we just gotta put it in over here.
Then it's
To
ready.
secure it. Yep, so Armin, you can come over here.
So run, run, run. Let's get this baby started up. Is this the right way?
Hold on, let me see. No, it's the other way.
Okay.
Yep, just like that. And you could put a bowl over here.
Yeah, so it doesn't like drop on the ground when I'm cutting it.
Yep, go for it. Is it working?
Oh yeah, it's working.
Awesome.
You see it? Go see.
Let me see. Oh wow, yeah.
Wow. It's getting a zucchini flood in there. Well, it's not a water flood, but it's a zucchini flood. There's getting so much zucchinis in there.
And using this tool is really safe for kids.
Yeah, but a knife, bad.
Yeah.
Grown up only.
Except you're
But you could also buy like some children knives for your like kids. Some children knives that are not very sharp.
That aren't that pointy.
That aren't that pointy. And also babies could do it, and also big kids. And also little kids. Okay.
So if your child or your little sibling wants to always help you when you're cooking, this is a great tool to make sure that they stay safe and also help you and have fun at the same time.
Yep, you could also have fun. And the best part is,
and that's
you cut it. Okay.
Pretty sure we're done, aren't we?
No, there's a bit of zucchini left.
Yeah, I don't think it does it all the way till the end. Yeah, you're just turning.
Oh, that's so much zucchini. Look behind.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So, whoa.
Whoa, I didn't know what I created.
So this is how it comes out. Pretty cool. And then when we're going to saute it, it's going to be even cooler. And it's going to also taste delicious.
Yep.
All right. So we put it all in the bowl over here.
I hope you subscribe to our channel because you should subscribe. And you know what the show is called? The show is called Armin and Massa Cook Fresh Vegetables. You could search that in your phone or your laptop or your computer. Well, laptop is the same as computer, and your cell phone and your tablet. You could search Armin and Massa Cook, then voila, the show comes. See, they're all inside the bowl.
All right, so I've washed some green beans. We're gonna add that in.
Yep. And what I like most is broccoli. Okay, I'll do the broccoli because it's like a pattern. Armin, Massa. Armin. The pattern comes with Armin. I knew that. Yeah. Loop 1. Loop 2. Loop 3. Loop 4. Loop 5. Loop 6. Loop 7. Loop 8. Okay. 9. 10. 11. Oh. 12. I may do another one because it didn't have like this green like branch part. Well, there's 2 of them stick together, so that makes 14. Okay, 14 should be enough, I suppose.
All right, so we've got our zucchinis in there, our green beans, and our broccoli, and now we're gonna get ready to saute them.
Okay, so we're back, and we washed the vegetables. These look good. I'm just gonna dump them in the pan. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.
Okay, everything's in there.
No, some zucchinis left.
Oh, I'll just add that in. We turned the stove on to medium heat. We're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil. And yeah, I'm just gonna saute it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper.
And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt.
I'm gonna help you so you don't burn. All right, great.
That should be a lot of salt. Actually not, I think a little bit of salt.
Yep.
I don't know.
All right, and now we're just gonna cook them for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Okay, awesome job. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, or whenever you see that your veggies are ready, you can turn off the stove and just let it cool. Thanks, Armin. And then you're ready to go. So you can have these veggies. What do you like to eat these veggies with, Armin? What's a good food to eat these veggies with?
Fish?
Yeah, like we're cooking some fish over here. So it's a great side dish for fish, for pasta.
Or we could just eat it without any fish. Go! Dump ahoy!
Good.
It's ready!
Awesome.
You
and
see,
guys,
it just got out of the stove.
Hot, delicious, and yummy, and also super healthy.
super healthy. That's why it's called fresh vegetables. Armin and Masa make fresh vegetables.
And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!